What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be finishing an order up that I had for 185 shirts. I put my last, I believe, 2 videos out about it. 2 videos ago. So I'm finishing up that order. And I just wanted to show this in there. I'm going to actually press onto one of these tote bags. I'm going to add this into their order. So I got these, I believe, from up at Michael's, but you can get these off of, any type of blank apparel site. They usually have bags and things like that they'll sell, but I'm going to throw this in their order just, so they could, it's just another offering to your customer of something else that you could do. Like I said, there's, in time I'm going to be ordering a lot or adding a lot more stuff to what I can do. So I'm just going to press up this tote bag so you guys can see how I do it. And, that way I could add this into the order to show them this is other things that I could also give them when they want to order, say, next year for their shirts. So I'm going to set the camera up and get right into that. Alright guys, so I got my heat press set up here. And throw this on here. I'm probably going to have to reset my pressure. I'm going to try to put a Teflon pillow in here. Just see how it comes out. Just to pop it up. Let's see how that's going to work. These transfers are about the same size. So let me try to put it this way. So I'm going to give this a pre-press first. And set my gotta bring it up a lot for this. There we go. Okay. Alright, so let me throw this transfer on here and see how it goes. It's the same thing, this is still hot peel. TKO transfers. It's the same transfer I used on the t-shirts. Alright, let's just see what happens here. Get everything over the edge. I'm gonna let it go a couple more seconds. Top peel. There you go, nothing left on the transfer. There you go. There's other ways you could do it. You could just put it, right on the thing. Just make sure you keep all the seams out of the way, but even that just worked out. That's the same transfers I used on their t-shirts. I'll hold this up at the end. And my temperature is at 322 for 9 seconds. Alright guys, that was just a quick video on how you could add other things into what you could offer your customers. And like I said, I use the same exact transfer that I used on all the t-shirts. I have it at I believe 10.5, the width of it. So, and it's just another thing with their logo now on it, and it fit on it perfect. I had extra transfers, and now I put it on a bag, give them that, and now they know that I could offer them bags too. So next time they call, they might ask for if I could do the tote bags for them. So that was just a quick video for you guys for another way to use your heat press and your extra transfers to add some extra things into your orders. These are cheap. So for me, it's nothing. This is just another way that I could be making money. So this is just me throwing it in with their order. Oh, he makes these too, just another way to get some money. So it's a quick video for you guys. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.